Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today we're looking at a brand new prop. So these are the new NewBeeDrone Azi Props. So these come in the standard 0.8 for brushless, or brush, sorry, and they also come in 1.0 for brushless motors. So today I'm going to be testing them out on my brushed, and I'm also going to be testing them out on my brushless setup as well. So before we go any further, I want to give a big shout out to the guys over there at NewBeeDrone. So thank you so very much to the guys at NewBeeDrone for sending these to me to be able to review. I appreciate that. Especially Chris was the guy that I talked to over there. So thank you very much to those guys. Make sure, guys, if you like these props, head over to NewBeeDrone and get you a pair of these. So here's what they look like. They come in clear for now. I don't know if they're going to be making more colors. I'm not sure. They were very, very easy to put on. This is my Alien Whoop. And then, so this is my brushless setup. Currently I'm running the gem fans, so I'll be taking those off, and then I'll be putting them on my brushless as well, and we're going to see just how well these do compared to the gem fans. So I'm pretty excited about these. These are a brand new style prop. They almost look just like the if you're familiar with the Azures. They kind of look like the Azures. They almost look like the gem fans, except for, if you notice, they're just a little bit different. And so we will see how they actually perform. So without further ado, let's head outside to my backyard and let's go test these out. So first we'll do a run with the brushless, and then we'll do a run with the brushed motors, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on what I think of these props. Alright, so we're outside here in my backyard. Beautiful day, not a whole lot of wind, and just absolutely beautiful. So here it is with the Azi props on it. So first up is the brushless, and then we'll do some brushed. Here we go! Okay, so with the brushless, I like it. It's got a lot of speed. I didn't notice a lot of prop wash or anything like that. Now, I don't do freestyle tiny whoop. I just do racing and cruising. So, but they felt really good. I really did like them. So now switched over to my brushed whoop. This is Alien Whoop board, Alien Zero, and these are running the Special Sauce tiny whoop motors. So we'll take a look at this one.
That's so disgusting! We'll be fine, let's party! Ooh, boy! Say about that. Very guilty. I'm the devil, biatch. Just kidding, my new catchphrase is, I don't give a
Okay guys, my final verdict. So the brushless, they run really good on. I do like them a lot. They don't have a lot of throttle, so not a lot of punch out, but that could be just these motors. I'm running the Moose Juice, which are the 17,500 kV motors, but they do feel good on this one. My brushed, I didn't like them, and now I think these are meant for bigger sized kV motors. These are only 17,500 in the special sauce, and I think they're meant for the NewBee. I think they're called the Plaid, which are much faster. And I noticed that they did make my motors hot, but that's because these are meant to spin at a higher rate. So if I had bigger motors, I'd like to test them out again and see just what I thought, but definitely they ran really good on the brushless. So that's just my opinion, and I think these are specifically designed to run with the NewBee drones and not the Tiny Whoop drones, so there could be some, but definitely I like them. I like how they perform. So if you guys like this video, definitely please hit the thumbs up button for me, and if you enjoy my channel and things of that nature, go ahead and subscribe down below for me. And as always guys, while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.